Ndekeni, Ajeni, Otofini, or Samar Nikine. I'm here to talk about Eze Ndigbo of 18 in Igbo land, where those Igbo people doing Eze Ndigbo is getting it wrong. Now, this Eze Ndigbo of 18 is supposed to be done in non-Igbo speaking territories. Places like all those Yoruba land, Isoko land, Yoruba land, Hausa land, Ijo land, and so on. That is where we Igbos are supposed to be doing Eze Ndigbo. But these our Igbo brothers are doing Eze Ndigbo in Igbo speaking territories, and it's very wrong. Imagine Anyoma land, you know that so many people in Anyoma are having identity crisis. In Igbo land also, they are having identity crisis there, and you are doing Eze Ndigbo in those places. Most of them will now be saying, yes, I have one Igbo, Eze Ndigbo neighbor. And when you are doing Eze Ndigbo in Igbo speaking territories, you are eventually passing the message to them that they are not Igbo people. Because when you are doing Eze Ndigbo, that Eze Ndigbo is just for the Southeast people alone. When they hear Eze Ndigbo na Ibuzo, Eze Ndigbo na Ogwashiku, those Ogwashiku and the Ibuzo people, we know that Eze Ndigbo is just for only those Igbo people from the Southeast. You come and say, you know, they carry people when they hear along, because that Eze Ndigbo that you are doing in Anyoma land is making them to believe that they are not Igbo people. How you going to do Eze Ndigbo for community where you know say they get to Obi, they get to Obalugu? That was how one of our brothers from the Southeast went to meet Obuzo of Ibuzo and told him to give him the right to take the title of Eze Ndigbo. And Obuzo told him, no, I can't make you Eze Ndigbo in Ibuzo. I am the king of Ibuzo. Ibuzo is an Igbo speaking community. Ibuzo people are Igbo people. So are you not saying that I should make you Eze Ndigbo? Let's now be two kings in Ibuzo. He told him that he will not make him Eze Ndigbo in Ibuzo. So this is what we are telling our brothers. Let's stop doing Eze Ndigbo in Igbo speaking territories. That thing they divide us. If you are doing Eze Ndigbo in Okwane land now, they'll be like, hey, we are not Igbo people now. Let them do their Eze Ndigbo. And when they're not doing Eze Ndigbo festival in Okwane land now, the only people that we attend will be people from the Southeast. Yes. You can't be like, say these people where they are different people from Mona. On them is not okay, Ndigbo, Hoibo. Even na Pasa Ndigbo, Kaikosia. Let's stop all this. Let's just stop all this thing that will be dividing us. In Achichi Eze Ndigbo, go to places you know that they don't speak Igbo there and do Eze Ndigbo there. And when you do Eze Ndigbo in non-Igbo speaking communities, that's your Eze Ndigbo will carry every Igbo speaking person in that region along. Whether that person is from Okwane, Kainwane, Ikure, you will carry everybody along because all of you are Igbo people. Let our mistakes not divide us.